It went. Okay, guys, I got some slime here. Slime. So, that's my big brother. We have this ghost container. Then we have this. Then we have another one.
Our secret cousins.
Secret cousins. You get to find my cousin. In this room. He's gonna be somewhere in this room. But I got some slime here. Yeah, it's not that pink. It used to be pink though. It's like tan.
Mean purple.
I don't know.
Mean purple.
Guys ready to find him?
Yep. Go hard.
And guys, guess what? What? Guess what I got? Guess what? A Bluetooth fidget spinner. Yeah, boy. Let's see if it's not dead. Oh, it's dead right now. Sorry. But let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna go play Find the Jaden. Give me the other container. So in a little bit we can play a slime, but right now, not.
Yeah. Wait, no. That's so sticky.
Oh my god, it's so sticky. Good. Look it.
So messy.
Hang on. You guys see that? How messy this stuff is? But it's easy to clean up.
Go on, go.
Mess.
Go.
Oh my.
Cousin, hide him.
Go right there.
Hide him.
Almost needs to get out because you can tell us what you is.
Why hiding?
You're on this. Go.
Why
I don't know, guys. This is hard to put away.
Well, why hiding, Jaden? Why hiding, Jaden?
Hang on.